Again, after 45 days, bahala na yung taong bayan na mag-decide. This is not about kung sino may pinakamaraming poster, it's not about kung sino may pinakamaraming tao sa mga meeting nila. At the end of the day, kung sino yung may pinakamaraming boto sa araw ng election.
Do you have any apprehensions?
No. I'm not, lagi ko kung sinasabi, win or lose eh. Diba? Win or win, lose or lose. I'm ready to accept the results. And I always say, even if I lose, there's always life after politics, diba? Kung tutusin naman, as I always say, I'm a last-minute candidate. I had other plans, diba? Pag iba naman ang naging desisyon ng tao, pag sinabi nilang mas gusto nila na maging mayor ako, then I will accept.
Ma'am, is there any pressure on your part to win, lalo na if you lose, mawawala na ng ang Binay and Mahal?
Hindi yun yung pressure eh. Hindi naman sa mawawala ang Binay. This is not our fight. This is our fight dun sa lahat ng supporters namin. This is our fight to bring back what was started by my dad. This is not, again, sinasabi ko palagi, ang taong bayan ay parte na ng pamilya namin. So this is not about us. This is about the people.
Ma'am, do you consider acting Mayor Kid Peña a strong opponent?
Yes and no. Yes, in the sense that because he's now the sitting mayor, he's the acting mayor. You have to consider that in 30 years, this is the first time na hindi Binay yung nakaupo sa City Hall. No, because hindi nga matitibag yung naumpisahan namin na serbisyo.